All right, we're at Gold Hill Outpost Harvest Host. It was a pretty good Harvest Host. It was not so loud. We're next to the freeway. We're next to Love's Truck Stop. But it wasn't too terrible bad. I've been at worse. The only thing that was really bad that they don't say is there's goat heads everywhere. So if you have dogs, please beware. The lady in the store is very nice, and there are so many cute things that are very reasonable priced. Thanks, Harvest Host. So this is Gold Hill Outpost. This is the outside. Very cute. It's just really cute. Really morning. Really cute. All kinds of stuff. Just another circle.